Well, hello there, and welcome back to another episode of Plumbing Country Living. Today I am going to be plumbing in my homemade blue bowl. I already started a hole and got stuff set up. So I'm going to be using these two fittings, a female and a male, and a couple of rubbers. This one's going to go in the inside. You guys can see that. I'll come a little closer for you. We'll be putting this one in the inside like this. There we go. Then I can get up there where you can see. The way this one's going to be going right inside here. Just like this. Oh, and by the way, I took my funnel out because I'm going to find something better to hold it in than silicone. Silicone just peels right off, so I'm trying to find something. Thinking what would be much better than silicone. Anyways, then you just turn it for, just gonna turn it down at that angle right there. See? Then I'm gonna go ahead and put this rubber on the outside here. This is gonna be kind of, well, I'm gonna put the camera butt down. Just to kind of help the water from leaking out. Well, and all silicone or do something to stop the leaking. Not quite sure yet. I haven't really thought about it yet, but I will figure something out. Real simple plumbing job, guys. Well, it doesn't take but a minute. And there you go, plumbing. So, what I'm going to do, since I do not have a pump, a bell pump, I'm going to, well, I think that I'm just going to go ahead and clamp that hose to that and just kind of regulate the water through the hose until I come up with something different. So, but that is the plumbing part of it. And if you guys wouldn't mind, please do me a favor, like and subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this little clip. I didn't want to make it too big because I didn't want to bore you. So, y'all have a great day, and I'll do the same, and please check out my other videos.